My name is Pam Thomas and I own Pammie Sammies in downtown Winter Garden. And I want to show you a recipe that I created for the shop called French toast casserole. I added some twist to it to make it super easy and fun for a family to make together with very few ingredients. We're going to start out with the bread. You can use any kind of bread. I think I've made it with biscuits and you can, I don't know, cornbread, whatever. But it needs to be dried out bread that is really not suitable for sandwiches or anything anymore, kind of croutonish. And you need enough to fill your casserole. I have this cute little simple casserole, and all you do is break it up into little pieces, the entire loaf, until you're all the way full. All right, once your bread is all torn up, it should look about like that, enough to fill your casserole dish. So I'm just going to dump this over into this bowl, and our wet ingredients. We're going to need 3 eggs. If you don't have 3, use 2, but generally 3 eggs. And just use a coffee cup, or about 2.5 to 3 cups of, I'm using caramel macchiato International Delight today. You can use just regular milk, you can use cream, you can use almond milk. I just think this is really cool because it's already flavored and you don't have to deal with adding anything else. And then I have maple syrup. Goes right in there. About a half a coffee cup full. There we go. You're just going to want enough liquid to fill about 1/3 of the way full of your casserole dish. Just whisk it together. I could have grabbed a whisk, but I grabbed a fork instead. About that much. And we're going to pour this over our bread. Every little last drop. And it's cool that you go ahead and leave that in there. Don't rinse it out because it makes kind of a caramelly crust on the bottom. I'm going to stir all this together. And then the last ingredient is about a half a stick of butter melted. And so, like so. So it's all nice and covered up and ready to go. Cover it, plastic wrap, foil. If your bowl has a lid, that works too. I just had a plate handy, so I covered it with a plate. And I have a refrigerator right down here. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let it sit overnight. So it's been probably about 3 hours since we put our mixture in the refrigerator. I'm going to get it out now and we're going to get it ready to go in the oven. So I also stuck my little casserole in here with the caramelly crust, so it will be ready to receive our delicious mixture. And one thing that I like to do, you don't have to do this part, but I like to add a couple of packages of really crushed up granola bars. Don't have to do this part, but I just think it adds a little crunch and a little more interest to it, and makes it even more delicious. So that was 2 packages. And now we'll just pour it right into the casserole. That. Spread it out. And we are good to go. To the oven. Ready? Let's go. Now this deliciousness just came out of the oven. Nice and hot and ready to serve. You can just add maple syrup right now if you want to, but again, I like to add some granola to the top of it, just for some added crunch. Totally not necessary, but I like it. And then some maple syrup. And it's ready to go. French toast casserole.